Hi, I'm Mike. In this video, I'm going to unbox the IM1 from OTOFIX. The IM1 is a beautifully simple device that can help you pair keys faster than ever. If you are new to key pairing, don't worry. The OTOFIX YouTube library has plenty of step-by-step guides that can help you out. Today, I'm just going to show you what's included in the case. So unlock those orange hatches at the top and pull the handles outward. You'll see the 7-inch screen tablet first, which is lightweight and perfect for garage use. The case itself is small and light enough to be stored anywhere, even in your vehicle. Also included is the V1 VCI and the XP1 Programmer. The V1 is the VCI you will use to connect with the vehicle. It will always be inserted into the vehicle's OBD2 port, usually located underneath the steering column. If it's not there, consult your owner's manual. And if in rare situations the tablet does not connect via Bluetooth to the V1, you can use this USB cable to manually connect. The XP1 Programmer must be used for certain vehicles in certain situations, like a BMW. It also comes with a cable to connect with the IM1 tablet in those situations. On the other side of the case are some chipsets. These are professional chipsets that can be used for EEPROM programming. Only skilled technicians should handle these tasks, as it involves some manual wire connection with vehicle components. This cable will also be used for EEPROM programming. So let's power the tablet on and see what the software is like. It uses the Android operating system and comes with a simple, user-friendly display. IMO, which stands for Immobilizer, can handle scans for your vehicle and all key learning processes. You can also access key learning directly from the home screen. Select Diagnostics for extra add-on options that you can subscribe to. Write key via dump can help you write a new key by disassembling an ECU component. Select Service to run normal service tasks, like turning off your oil lamp after completing an oil change. Settings are here. Advanced service lists can be accessed to view more advanced service features. Update your device whenever there's an update here. On the second page, you'll see VCI Manager. Open this each time you connect to your vehicle. Maxi Tools is here to collect logs and perform a factory reset. Support to contact support with any questions. Maxi Viewer to view a list of functions compatible with your vehicle. Quick Link to view the included web pages. Data Manager to manage your data. Remote Desktop if a support member wants to access your device remotely. And finally, Utilities for miscellaneous but useful apps. So that's all for the IM1. Do you have one? What do you think of it? I'm Mike and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to watch our other videos on the IM1 or reach out to an OTOFIX support member. Thank you for watching.